How to create a new password for some of the sites or applications on the iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I will show you how you can add a password for some of the sites or applications. Passwords are a very important thing for our security because they guarantee that no one who does not know our password can access something that belongs to us. However, as the number of services has multiplied, it is difficult to remember all the passwords we have. In this clip, I will show you how you can add a password on your phone. Open the settings of your phone. When the settings open, scroll through the options until you find the Passwords option and tap on it. The next step will ask you for your Face ID or Touch ID to access this option. When you have accessed the option, find the plus icon in the upper right part of the screen and tap on it. In the small menu that opens, select the New Password option. Here, type the title, website, as well as the username and password for the site you want. And that's all. After that, confirm the settings by tapping the Done button in the upper right corner. And that is all. Now you have your password saved in a safe place, and you don't have to try to remember it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iOS tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.